Okay, it is now 11:10 in the morning. It took them approximately 3 hours and 20 minutes to do the PM on my truck. So we got the oil change, filters, blah, 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 checked all that. So now we're hooked back up to our trailer. Got a pre-trip done. Now we're going to get on up here to Charleston, Tennessee. Get some fuel in the truck. And boogie on up the road. Hopefully we can make it into Virginia. We're not going to be out too late today. It's going to be a little bit shorter day than I thought I wanted to do, but c'est la vie. But truck's taken care of, so we don't have to, oil. All our fluids were pretty good. Our filters were pretty decent looking. No problems. I mean, granted, the truck only has 34,000 miles on it. Brand new truck. So I wouldn't expect too many problems. So we're leaving Steele, Alabama, getting back on 59 here. Charleston, Tennessee. Gonna pop into this Love's, get a little bit of fuel. It's now 2:30 in the afternoon, so we can do another 2 hours after this. See where we can get to today. A little too much of a delay with the getting our PM done. They're in Alabama this morning. I would have hoped they would have gone a little bit faster, get me on the road a little bit sooner, but c'est la vie. So I'm gonna put some fuel. We're gonna put some def. We might go in for a Big Mac.
You have arrived at your destination. On the right side, Love's travel stop number 364.
Gee, thanks.
On this road for 10 miles.
I wouldn't have known I was here if it weren't for you.